Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Happy New Year again! Live from Maria's kitchen!
Yes.
Happy New Year, Maria!
Thank you. Happy New Year to you.
And Happy New Year to our beautiful family of Sicily lovers!
Yes. Happy New Year, everybody.
Your grandmom! I'm very happy, Maria. This is the first live broadcast with you.
Yes.
The first live broadcast of the year.
Yes.
And this is our gift of the new year to wish you a blessed new year full of joy, happiness, love, health, and a lot of positive things.
Yes, yes. Everything will be okay.
And of course, Maria is waiting for you here in Sicily at the end of this crazy situation, crazy
Yes,
times.
I'm very happy.
To teach you some of the most delicious Sicilian recipes. And now, Maria, oggi che prepariamo? What are you going to prepare today?
Oggi prepariamo ceci.
Wow, chickpeas.
Ciciri.
In siciliano noi ci diciamo i ciciri. Italiani che sono belli i ciciri. Dry chickpeas, so we are going to make a chickpeas soup.
Yes. Very good soup.
So, before to take the camera to come closer with you, I would like to tell you all the ingredients that you need to make this delicious soup. And I suggest you to eat this dish during the winter time because
because I give you energy.
Energy during this cold winter. Also in Sicily is a winter time, of course, and it's a little bit cold. And of course here in Maria's country house the temperature is very low because we are high, so we are, of course, I would like to remind you, we are in Caccamo, in the province of Palermo, about 1 hour far from Palermo. And now we are ready to enjoy this dish.
Yes.
So first of all, let me read the ingredients.
Okay.
So you will need 500 grams, it means 18 ounces of dry chickpeas, 2 carrots,
Yes.
1 onion,
Yes.
1 spring celery, 2 laurel bay leaves, 2 sage leaves, 1 spring rosemary,
Yes.
1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of white wine,
Yes.
3.5 ounces of bacon cubes, and 7 ounces of pumpkin, or if you prefer, zucchini. And if you want, you can also add spinach or chard.
If you don't like it, I use today this
Pumpkin, okay.
Yes.
So it's time to come closer to you, Maria. So
yes.
let
You
me
can change. If you don't like this, you can put the green zucchini.
Yes, don't worry, I'm going to post the recipe and the instructions at the end of this live broadcast in the comments. Okay, wait for me, Maria.
Yes. I'll show you how many water we need to put in the...
So first of all, you need to
Yes.
cover the
Yes.
chickpeas with water.
water, yes.
And they should be totally covered by water.
More, little bit more.
More because they will absorb the water.
Yes.
And so you have to cover them with water.
Yes.
So they are dry chickpeas. And you have to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Yes. I turn a little
Mix.
bit. Yes.
And
You leave it for the last 12 hours.
so you need to let rest for at least 12 hours.
Or more.
So at least 12 hours. Of course, we cannot wait to 12 hours during this live broadcast, and so Maria has already prepared the chickpeas. So the second step after 12 hours
Yes.
is to boil the chickpeas, right?
In this pan.
So you need a pressure cooker. And as you can see, Maria has already boiled the chickpeas. And cosa ci mettiamo nell'acqua, Maria?
All lawyer is salt.
So, to boil the chickpeas, don't forget to put the salt and two laurel leaves.
Yes.
Okay.
All this.
How many minutes, Maria?
20 minutes in that pan.
So, if you use a pot like this, a pressure cooker, you have to cook them for 30 minutes.
Yes. See? And now are ready this. See? Are soft now. See? Are cooked very well.
So, after 30 minutes, they are cooked.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now we start.
One important thing, Maria.
Yes.
Don't forget to save the water of the chickpeas, boiled water. So
Yes.
save it. Because you will use later. And now let's move on to prepare the soup.
Okay.
Allora, che facciamo? Intanto diciamo qua, tu stai usando questa pentola picchì.
Yes, because I like the taste. For me, it's better.
So Maria is using a clay pot because the flavor will be more tasty.
Yes, I like this.
Okay.
Okay, we start with the olive oil.
So pour a generous amount
Yes,
of
generous.
olive oil. Maria used only olive oil in her kitchen.
Yes.
Then,
Onions.
of course, chop finally the onion.
Yes.
1 onion.
Yes, one red onion.
And add to your pot
Yes. Carrots.
2 carrots,
Yes.
chopped finally. And the celery.
Yes.
1 sprig of
Yes. Celery.
celery.
2 leaves sage.
So 2 sage leaves
And 2 laurel.
and 2 laurel bay leaves
And a little bit rosemary.
and 1 sprig of rosemary.
Okay. Ok. Sì?
Gli dobbiamo mettere pure il peperoncino?
Yes.
Maria likes very much the red hot chili pepper, and so she puts one red hot chili pepper.
This is very hot. It's small, but it's very hot.
E andiamo a fare il suo soffritto allora, Maria.
Yes.
Sicily lovers flag. So now it's time to make the sofrito. You have to saute for about 5 minutes over high heat. Tagliati che su belli colori del suo soffritto. What a beautiful colors. So again, in your soffritto, you have 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 spring celery, 2 laurel bay leaves, 2 sage leaves, 1 spring rosemary, and of course, olive oil.
Hot pepper.
And hot pepper, of course. How are you, Maria?
Fine, I am very well.
Every time Maria is very excited,
Yes.
very.
My heart is
Your heart
boom,
boom, boom, boom, boom. Here in Sicily is Christmas time until not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. We used to levare l'albero il 6 per l'Epifania, il 6 gennaio, il 7. So on January the 7th, we used to can I say so the Christmas decoration will be over.
Yes.
Please
We
help
take
me.
away
Take it away. Yes, I don't. Sorry. Guys, how are you? We love you. I cut my hair. What do you think? And also my color is more blonde, like the Sicily lovers woman. Do you think the Sicily lover woman and I are similar? Allora, qua stiamo facendo un soffritto, giusto?
Yes.
Vedremo qua sti colore come vanno. So, medium high heat. Giusto, Maria?
Yes. Yes, the first time I.
So, at the beginning, the heat is high. What a smell, Maria.
Yes, I know. Viene l'appetito.
Mancia, sono tutti cose che fa Maria, sono mancia. Ora che stiamo facendo, Maria?
Now I put the bacon.
So now it's time to add the bacon.
Yes.
Cut into small cubes.
Yes. and intorno 5 minutes.
So saute for about 5 minutes.
Yes.
Poi che facevo, Maria?
Now 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Sì? E che cosa facciamo? Dobbiamo aggiungere il vino? È ora di aggiungere
Yes.
il vino? So the
White wine.
So the next step is to add the white wine. 3 tablespoons,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Not too much. 1, 2, and 3.
So 3 tablespoons of white wine.
Yes.
Increase the heat. So
Yes.
the heat is
It's
very
high, it's
high.
high.
Ah, okay. And the glaze for a couple of minutes, right, Maria?
Yes. Because deve evaporare il vino.
So the wine should evaporate.
Yes.
Of course, if you are vegetarian, you can skip the bacon.
Yes.
If
yes.
you are vegetarian or vegan, you can skip the bacon, and you can add, for example, spinach.
Okay. Now you can smell the wine, see?
Mm.
No more wine.
Perché non lo sentiamo più? È
Yes,
questo?
yes.
So the secret is that you have you have to know smell the wine. Ok, ora che facciamo, Maria?
We are the beans.
So it's time to add the pumpkin cut into small cubes.
Yes. Like
Da questo
this.
lato, che così ho la luce.
Like this.
Ok.
See?
How many minutes, Maria?
5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes. And the heat is high, right?
Yes, yes. Very high.
So cook over high heat. Oh, ora che facciamo, Maria?
Ora mettiamo l'estratto.
Oh,
Tomato estratto.
so this is the Sicilian
Sì.
tomato paste, tomato estratto.
Very dry, sì? Ok?
Yes.
1 tablespoon. Ok?
Yes. So 1 tablespoon of tomato paste.
Yes. And we turn few minutes.
Abbassa un po' questo braccio perché non inquadro. E poi se riesci con l'altro è meglio. Ok.
The smell is
The
very
smell, the
good.
smell.
The smell is very good.
Oh, abbiamo una domanda from Karen. What kind of pot is that? So, it's a clay pot, una bella pignata di terracotta, we say in Sicilian, so a clay pot because the taste will be better, the flavor will be better.
Yes.
And so Maria is using...
Tieni il calore pure la pentola di
And
terracotta.
also this pot helps to save the temperature, the hot
Yes.
temperature. Renee, I'm going to post all the ingredients in the comments at the end of this live broadcast, and also the method, the instructions.
Yes.
Oh, ora che facciamo?
Now it's time to put the pink
The chickpeas.
chickpeas. And we turn a few minutes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
So, other 5 minutes.
Yes, per prendersi il sapore, per insaporirsi.
Chissà che cos'è, Maria, che domandano che cosa sta facendo. A zuppa di ceci, giusto?
Yes.
Chickpeas soup. Perfect for the winter time.
Yes.
Because of course you can eat very hot.
Yes.
Guys, can you hear us and the quality of the video is good? Could you please write in the comments if everything is okay? Yes, Celeste, chickpeas soup. Thank you, Renee. La fiamma è sempre alta, vero
Yes,
Maria?
Yes.
So the heat is always high. So cook over high heat. Oh, Francis Badalamentis wrote, Maria, write a cookbook. We love your recipes.
Thank you. Maybe one day, I don't know.
Maria, tu lo scrivi in italiano e io e Gianca lo andiamo a tradurre. Che ne pensi?
I am very happy to do this.
So, next step, Maria, is to write a book full of recipes.
I hope.
Maria so sweet. Yes, because Maria is the grandmother of all Sicily lovers around the world.
Thank you.
Ciao Larry, we have about 7 degrees here in Caccamo.
Maybe 5 today.
Ciao Donna Naples, ciao Anthony. Oh, and now it's time to add
the water.
So this is not simple water. This is the water where you cooked the chickpeas.
Yes, yes. The frosted 1 cup.
So 1 cup.
2 cup.
So in total we have 2 cups. So 2 cups of chickpeas boiled water.
Yes. Okay. See, it's a little bit yellow, the water, because I cook the chips.
The chickpeas, yes.
Ok.
E che cosa hai messo nell'acqua per bollire? Allora, sale e
salt and oil liver.
So in the water to boil the chickpeas, you have to put salt, about 1 tablespoon, right?
Yes.
And don't forget to put also 2 laurel leaves.
Yes.
E siamo quasi pronti, no Maria?
Now we need 20 minutes to cook very well. 100 minutes.
So bring to a boil and then
abbassiamo il fuoco.
ok, poi quindi bring to a boil, then abbassiamo il fuoco.
Yes.
So then lower the heat.
Yes.
And cook for about 30 minutes.
Yes.
Over medium heat.
Yes.
And
slow. It's very slow.
Medium
Slow.
low.
Yes.
And il coperchio pure, giusto?
Yes.
With the lid on.
Yes.
So first bring to a boil.
Yes.
Then you can lower the heat and put the lid on. So as you can see, they are starting to boil. Oh, we have a question from Sheila. Ciao from Omaha, Nebraska. Looks delicious. When are you opening your restaurant, Maria? Are you going to open a restaurant?
I am old. I am 70 years old.
Oh.
If I was young, I opened.
But you are young, Maria. Maria is 70 years old, but she looks very young.
Thank you. If I am 20 years, I open the restaurant.
So as you can see now, the lid is on.
Yes, I cover.
And you can lower the heat.
Now boil, and I go. See?
Okay, and this is the recipe.
Yes.
And you have to wait 30 minutes, right,
Yes.
Maria?
But they taste, if you are to cook, use spegnere il fuoco un po' prima.
Okay, so more or less it's about 30 minutes. Of course, it depends on the quality of the chickpeas.
Yes, because sometimes they are very hard. Sometimes they are very tender.
Oh, Donna Naples says, Maria, you look amazing for your age. I agree with you, Donna.
Thank you very much.
Are you happy about this recipe? Maria, questa ricetta come l'hai imparata? È una tua ricetta?
No, my grandmother.
So, this recipe belongs to Maria's grandmother.
And my mother too.
And also your mother.
Yes. The only thing I change, because before the people was poor, now I put the bacon.
So the only ingredients that Maria recipe has changed
Yes.
in this recipe is the bacon, because of course when Maria was child,
Yes.
of course that time the most of people were poor, and so they didn't use bacon
Yes.
every day in the kitchen.
Sometimes we have it because when they kill the pork.
The pork, okay.
Yes, we have bacon, but in summertime we don't have it.
So only when you kill the animals.
Yes,
Okay.
the pork.
The pork or the
Pork,
the
pork.
the pork, only
Yes.
the pork. Okay. Thank you, Maria, again.
Thank you everybody to follow me. I love you. I love you too much. I love you. I hope you feel very good and happy.
So Maria, wish you
Che sono felice.
a great new year.
Yes.
Every time, as you can see, Maria cries every
Yes.
time.
Yes.
And of course, we wish you again a new year full of positive vibes,
Yes.
full of energy, love, happiness, joy,
Yes.
health, everything.
Good life. I hope you have a good life.
Let me check the comments. Okay, yes, they are here. And now we can say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, everybody. I love you. Bye.
Thank you again, Maria.
Thank you to you.